Hi guys, we are Jeroen and Lisa and we are living full-time in our box truck use with our dog Leo.
Leo, nee. Listen.
This year has been a crazy ride. We started the year with still figuring out how to van life and especially how to content create next to them. Luckily we got into the rhythm in Italy at the start of the year. We got stuck on a mountain, we discovered beautiful beaches, we grew our family. Welcome to our 2024. For us, 2024 was all centered around thriving in the van. We survived that first year of finding your rhythm and place in this lifestyle. And now it's time to enjoy everything we've learned so far. We started in Venice, where we got a unique view of this unique place and continued our path southwards along the east coast. Although we were finally living the lifestyle we have worked so hard for all year long, at this time in our journey our life felt a bit like a puzzle that has yet to be completed. Some pieces were connected, others were still a mess, and even some pieces were missing. As you can imagine, this was a bit frustrating to say the least. Our lives have changed so much since we started on this journey, and it was hard to let the other person know what you want and need, because that is also still not clear for yourself. After some bumpy roads and some sandy shores, we slowly figured out what made us happy and what our vision of van life embodied. We finally found our rhythm. For us, van life is balance and communication. It is important to still live your own life, but this becomes extremely hard when you always carry your whole house and your partner with you. You might want to do one thing while the other owner of the house wants to do another. Again, you have to work together to find balance by communication. Because we both grew in communicating, we discovered that visiting historical landmarks like Pompeii, Rome and Pisa had been priorities for Lisa. While they were low on my list, I realized that we should visit them for her to see. This also gave us space to invite our friends and family who wanted to join our trip for a while.
Oh my god, a ton has happened this year. It's so fun to see. This wraps up our part in Italy. After this we started heading back to the Netherlands to pick up this devil behind me. From this moment our lives changed into one chaotic mess with him. He's gigantic. I can barely lift him. Lisa can't really lift him. But let's tune into some puppy videos of this little cute fella. Follow me to my favorite tree. Well, I'm offering a steady hand.
Getting Leo has been a long-lived dream for me, as you guys will probably know by now. Of course I was super excited, but it was also one of the scariest things I have ever done. One moment you are free, without anything to tie you down, and the other moment there's this little furball who relies on you to teach him how the world works. Sometimes you just have to go for it, otherwise you'll be waiting your whole life. And I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. Of course there were ups and downs, and Leo pushed me to the edge on several occasions. But the edge is sometimes where progress is, so I gladly went there and returned stronger every time. Leo has taught us not only patience, but also a new level of trust. Trust in that things will work out in the way that they're supposed to. When you know you care, there's nothing to be afraid of, and doing your best will always turn out positive.
In 2024, our New Year resolution was getting a dog. So we had so much fun the entire summer. Though there was 1 week of July that we wouldn't want to skip. We had to give Leo to our friends and family for a couple of days. Wow. So we walked the 4 days march. For Jeroen it was already the 11th time that he walked the 4 days march. And for me it's also becoming a tradition now. I walked for the 3rd time. If you want to get a feel for what it was like, we made a separate video on this year. In September we prepared for our 2nd time abroad. We installed new solar panels, got rid of the sunscreen, and we made additional space for Leo in his crate. After we did all this, we were ready to hit the road.
And that finally leaves us with the last couple of months. We continued to fill our own puzzle. We found so many new pieces and it seems like the puzzle is slowly falling into place. This song perfectly defines how it feels right here and right now, so I'll let you guys enjoy it.
For a year now I've been waiting, see that look in your eyes. I've been hoping for a love like you for a long, long time. We got laughter, we got tears, we got each other too. From this moment we are here to stay. There ain't nothing we can't do. Here we are, dear, hand in hand. No more plans, just our love here. Again and again I'll say it, I do. Hand in hand, no more plans, just our love here. Again and again I'll say it, I do.
2024 was the year where dreams came true. This includes growing this amazing YouTube channel, so lastly to all you guys out there who are watching, liking and commenting on our videos, thank you.